What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala Games. Then I'm going to go over to the grocery store and pick up some scrumptious goodies. So currently we're sitting at 14 cents, down 11% on the day. Excuse me. We're seeing a market cap 916 million, 24-hour volume 533 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. Beautiful ascending triangle forming for Gala. So if you see it start to break out with some volume, we have a beautiful bullish divergence. Created a little bit of an equal low here, while creating a higher low on the RSI, as well as money is flowing back in. So if it does break out, your technical target is all the way up here at 14 cents. We also have this descending resistance coming in about 15 cents. Or 1.52, and then 1.57 is another major level of resistance in my opinion. And then you have this descending trend line, which will be coming in right around 17 cents for Gala Games. Now, if we do break out with some volume, I'll most likely give a trade signal. If I do think we're going to see that continuation to the upside, those are available for $10 a month, and you can sign up through the Discord. Starting to see a nice little push here. We're not seeing a huge increase in volume, so we'll see if we can break out here and get back above the EMAs for our friend Gala Games. Now, if we look at Gala here on the daily, we may be putting in a beautiful double bottom pattern. Let me grab my brush here, where we've come down, we made a bottom, we come down, we find support, make a second bottom. So if we do break out of that pattern, measure your breakout, that could take Gala all the way up to about 21, almost 22 cents. So that would be a juicy trade of about 30%. As I mentioned, we could definitely see a 20 to 100% move to the upside for Gala. If it does break out, you can see money is flowing in strongly while price is coming down on the daily time frame, and the RSI is starting to show strength as well. Look at this volume too. You see this massive amount of volume. Check this out. If you go back to this previous breakout, look at this. See the volume start to increase. Boom, huge breakout. So once again, you're seeing that increase in volume. So if we do break out, that's when you can see that nice push. I do think we're in a long-term downtrend, but you could definitely see a nice push up to this resistance of about 100%. But I do think we'll continue to create lower highs and lower lows, and continue to see the drop to the downside, but we could see a beautiful relief bounce in the short term for Gala Games. As I had pulled my Fibonacci from this swing low up to the swing high, and you can see we came all the way back down to where we started. We broke below it, came all the way back down to the 1.272. So we could see a nice push back up to these levels of resistance. The golden ratio is coming in about 22 cents. If we get rejected, we roll. That's when we come down to the 1.618 at 0.087, quite possibly the 2 extension at 0.061, as I do think that we are going to see further downside for BTC, but in the short term we could see a nice push back to the upside. Now if we lose this support for Gala, your next levels of support here for Gala Games, I'll just quickly pull out my fib here. You would target the 1.414 at about 0.105, the 1.618 at 0.086. So in the short term for Gala, if we do start to push up and break out of this pattern, could be a beautiful push back up to about 0.146, and then watch these levels of resistance as well. I will drop a trade signal if I do think we do have a good opportunity to break out, as we did right here. I did take a trade. I didn't give a signal, as I had already given 4 signals, but I did take a trade for Gala, made a juicy 22% on that pump, took my profits, set my stop loss at my break even. We rolled over, so I broke even on the rest of the trade for Gala Games. With our DCA strategy here, let me quickly open it up. See, this would basically be my trade setup if we do break out with some volume here. Well, we'll quickly open up the DCA trade strategy for Gala Games. Pop it over to the daily time frame. So far we've had 3 entries with our break even sitting at 0.021, and you can see our next buy zones line up with support levels. Right here we have 10 cents, 0.019, we have 8 cents where this swing low is, and that lines up with the 1.618, and then all the way down here at about 4 cents for Gala Games. Equal amounts of each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. Very simple method of trading, fully explained in the Discords, which you can gain access to for $3.50 a month. Over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and we have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel, buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. And at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses. Been making some juicy profits with the signals. You can sign up through the Patreon, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. All right, take care. Much love.